with ravishing Raveena Tandon as she modeled for ace designer Anita Dongre's latest collection. So let's hear what Raveena has to say about the designer.
I think Anita as a designer, being a plus point that she's a woman herself, is उनके कपड़े बहुत ही comfortable रहते हैं और एक हर औरत का एक comfort zone होता है.
And what is it that you like best about Anita's designs?
It's something like you buy this kind of a piece once, in your lifetime, and it goes on forever. This will always remain. It has that royal, that very classic, timeless kind of a look to it, and that is what I like about it. Because let's be honest, all designers have really become clothes have become very high priced.
When it comes to clothes, what do you personally prefer, Western or Indian wear, Raveena?
The world is recognizing Indian garment to be one of the most elegant ever, and मैं Indian में ज़्यादा comfortable हूँ, honestly.
And what is fashion according to you?
So for me, fashion is very important to suit my comfort zone. And yes, definitely that's something I wear that looks well turned out.
Now let's speak with the lady of the hour, designer Anita Dongre, and ask her what was the inspiration behind this particular collection.
This collection is really inspired by India. I wanted to do a very, very opulent Indian collection. I wanted to show the brocades of Benares, bandanis from Rajasthan, rich Zardozi embroidered velvets. It was all of that in a very, very feminine, opulent, timeless kind of way.
And how did you zero in on Raveena as your model?
Phyllis as a model, she's very, very, she knows her fashion and her style very well. She's a woman who understands what works for her and what doesn't, and she's just got impeccable taste. So for me, she's the perfect role model for this collection.
And lastly, Anita, what do you hope to achieve through your collection? How are they going to affect the trends of changing times?
There will be a lot of pride in wearing Indian fabrics and Indian clothes. So whether it's Indian fabrics in Western styles or it's just Indian clothes, I think